why TECH3? TECH3 has got a good history. I think there's a good team of people there which can do but what they need to do. You know, Hervé Poncharal, the former owner, a guy I respect a lot for what he did. And Hervé, it's a different period of his life. He wanted to do something different, and it has given us the opportunity to acquire TECH3. And I think it's a good team, and therefore it's a new challenge for me. It's a new challenge for a lot of people within the team. That is why TECH3. It looks different. It's a lot smaller. It's only 2 wheels on the machine, you know, instead of 4. But I'm in motorsport a long time, and a garage is a garage. Obviously, it has got these different things, but in the end, it's racing. It's racing at a very high level, at the highest level in motorbikes, F1 highest level of cars. So it smells very similar. Back to the smell. It feels pretty good, I would say. It's obviously something new, and for me, it's gathering a lot of information and to find my way around it. But no, it feels good. When you prepare for something for a period of time, in the end, when you get to it, it's a nice moment. I'm enjoying it, you know, obviously meet a lot of people or people I know but I never really talk to, and a lot of people want to talk with me, a lot of people don't want to talk with me as well. But no, it's good, and I think that the team is motivated, you know, looking into the future.